Hi guys, welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment. Happening today, we'll take you through top 10 Nigerian celebrities everyone loves. If you hit number 8, you have a problem. Seriously. Some Nigerian celebrities are blessed with amazing personality that makes everyone love them. It's not easy to be a celebrity in Nigeria and get loved by many. It takes a lot, like being extra talented in what you do and being real in terms of attitude and relationship with fans. We will be looking at some Nigerian celebrities that seem to have no haters. Everyone loves them unconditionally. Number 1 on the list is Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy, the boss of Maven Records, is loved by many music lovers, not only because of his contribution into entertainment industry, but also his sense of humor. What makes me respect Don Jazzy the most was the period when we thought Moist Records was done and dusted, and all of a sudden Don Jazzy brought out Maven's record. And I won't forget their hit song for that period, which was The Robuchin. That song was mad, really mad. I give it to Don Jazzy, it's really a boss. Number 2, Odunlade Adekola. They call him the king of meme. Odunlade Adekola is an amazing Nollywood Yoruba actor with exceptional acting skills. His action and facial expression in movies have become sources of memes for social media users over the years. This guy is really talented. He's a talented dude. A comic actor, I like him. He's a great guy. I'm sure you guys like him too. Number 3 on the list is Fowls. Mr. Bad Guy, the president of Sweet Boys Association. Only huge love from fans can make a full-time musician be a multiple award winner, also in the movie industry. Fowls the Bad Guy is no doubt a talented musician who earned massive love and respect from fans with his witty lyrics and comic display. I love this song, Soldier. Fowls featuring Simi. That song is mad. Number 4, Funke Akindele, our own Jennifer. She got massive love from Nigerians after her movie title Jennifer attracted lots of Nigerians to her comedy skills. Despite the fighting drama always going on in Yoruba actress almost every year, Funke Akindele has always stayed clear of every possible fracas. Jennifer is really a nice person. No wonder she's number 4 on our list. So number 5, Osita Iheme. He is popularly known as Popo. He's a Nigerian actor who has starred in many comedy movies alongside his friend Akin. Over the years, Osita Iheme has gathered much love from movie lovers across the country. No wonder he is confirmed national honor of Member of the Order of Federal Republic (MFR) by former President Goodluck Jonathan. Osita Popo is a great guy. He knows how to act. He's intelligent, he's smart. I love him. Number 6, Chinedu Ikedieze. I love Chinedu Ikedieze for his role in The Johnson. Small Doctor, as he's popularly called. He is famous for playing comic roles alongside Osita Iheme. Chinedu Ikedieze is an exceptional personality. He's fun to watch on TV, which is why many people can't hate on him, just like his friend Chinedu. Chinedu is also a member of the Order of the Federal Republic (MFR). Number 7, Tenny Makanaki. For your Chris crooner. She captured the heart of many music lovers with a sweet rendition of Virgin Freestyle back then. Tenny followed up the amazing songs which made people love her more. Her free-spirited nature on social media, how she plays jokes around, are other reasons why people can't love her less. Tenny Makanaki. I love her. She's good. This is a new song. Billionaire is making airwaves, topping charts everywhere. I love her. No wonder she's top in our list here. Number 8, Baba. Two Face is a talent. He's one of the best in Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Yeah, his hit song is hit song of early 2000, African Queen, Still Make Waves. The love people got for Baba is unquantifiable. Based on popular opinion about him, he will make a good president of Nigeria. Baba is known for making music that appeals to people irrespective of tribe or belief. He's got an amazing personality, especially the way he reacts to controversies around his career in the music industry. Number 9, Olamide, Pawon Master. He's one of the realest personalities in the music industry. For several years, Olamide has earned massive love from street through his back-to-back release of hit tracks and always giving platform for young and upcoming talent to grow. When it comes to street credibility, Badu can never be found wanting. Yeah, he has given platform for artists like Adekunle Gold, Lukesh, Chukwuekun. He's always been supportive, and Rave of the Moment right now, Fireboy is also on his platform. Lamide is a good guy. He's nice. He's a great guy. So number 10 on our list, Anthony Joshua. Have you ever seen a non-arrogant, humble boxer before? Well, Anthony Joshua is one. He's a British Nigerian boxer and heavyweight champion of the world with WBA, IBF, WBO, and IBO title belts. Nigerians love him not only because of his outstanding success in professional boxing, but also in constant show of humility in his career. As a matter of fact, all Nigerian ladies love him. Yeah, I want all Nigerian ladies love him. Yeah, he's a fine guy, He's 6 packs, successful. But majority of Nigerians as a whole love him. He's a good fighter, Anthony Joshua, yeah. He's a great guy. So we end this list with Anthony Joshua being our number 10th personality on the list. So guys, what do you think about this list? I'm sure they're your favorite, and as you said, you love these guys, and I'm sure number 8 is not a surprise to you, because for me, I think it's the best of them all. So guys, until next time, take care, have fun. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Of course, if you're listening to this right now, it must be that you've seen it to the end. So stay tuned for more on Nigerian news and entertainment. We got you. Take care until next time.